If you're having a problem with your washer's door sagging after it's opened, or does it wiggle more than normal, and do you have to lift it to get it to align properly and close, well then you more than likely have a broke or bent door hinge. This is Eric, Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the full door hinge assembly and get your dryer's door working properly. If you need to purchase a new door hinge assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The door hinge assembly attaches to the washer's frame and the inner door panel to hold the door in place. It comes pre-assembled and includes the hinge plate, the hinge caps, and the hinge bracket. So, if one or more of these parts are damaged or broken, replacing the entire hinge assembly may be easier than replacing the individual pieces. To access the door hinge assembly, first we'll need to open the dryer's door. Then, remove these 4 screws using a T20 Torx bit. Lift to remove the door from the dryer. Next, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. To separate the door panels, remove these 13 Phillips head screws. Do not remove any of the Torx head screws, as they hold other components like the glass, the hinge, and the spring catch in place. Next, lift on the inner door panel to separate it from the outer door panel. Set the outer door panel aside for later. On the front of the inner door panel, remove these 5 T25 Torx screws. Lift the panel and slide the hinge assembly out from underneath of it. If you need to purchase a new hinge assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. A quick but important note before installing the hinge assembly. You may notice on the back of the hinge bracket that these 5 screw holes where it attaches to the inner door panel do not come pre-threaded from the factory. These screw holes are designed to self-tap or self-thread during installation when using the screws that you removed earlier, even though these screws may not look like your typical self-tapping screws. And with that in mind, we can get back to installing the hinge assembly. To install, align this notch on the hinge bracket to this slot on the inner door panel. Now, carefully start each screw by hand, ensuring that they are straight. Set the inner door panel aside and grab the outer door panel for reinstallation. To align the door panels, insert the side with the hinge assembly first and work your way around the panels to make sure that the inner door panel is sitting on the inside of the outer door panel. Then, press down on the door catch cover to snap the 2 panels together. Install the 13 Phillips head screws to secure the door together. We suggest doing this by hand to avoid damaging or breaking the plastic mounts and threads. Align the retainers on the door hinge to these slots on the front panel. Then, install the 4 T20 screws to secure the door to the dryer. Close the door and make sure that it is working properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.